Getting up and cleaning probably isn't at the top of your to-do list right now. Maybe you can get a little help and let Dreame L10s Pro handle the cleanup. See that sleek magnetic cover? That's the look of high-performance cleaning. It's learning your home's layout. L10s Pro uses advanced LiDAR navigation to build a 3D map of your home. Now that's smart. Now it has a map in mind. Don't worry, L10s Pro won't mess with your kitty cat. Your cat might mess with it though. With 3D structured light, Dreame L10s Pro accurately recognizes and circumvents obstacles to clean independently. Pet food, cat litter, hair, dirt, dust, debris, easily handled. Thanks to the all-rubber brush and impressive 5,300 pascal suction. Dual high-speed rotary mops with strong downward pressure scrub floors. Bye-bye pet messes. Worry the carpet might get wet? Don't. Dreame L10s Pro detects carpet with ultrasonic technology and lifts the mops to keep it nice and dry. Oh, and don't forget that you can use the Dreame Home app in multiple languages to tell your robot when, where, and how you want it to clean. Plus, L10s Pro works with your favorite voice assistant, so it can clean on command.
Hey, Siri, stop cleaning.
L10s Pro sees, mops, cleans like a